Hey everyone, it's ChrissyWoods. So today I'm going to show you how I created this really low-key look using the Loreal Glowtion by L'Oreal. So please continue to watch. So first up is the Loreal Glowtion, and this is in the shade Deep Glow. And I'm just going in with my e.l.f. powder foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply it all over my skin. And I'm going to use it underneath my foundation just to see what kind of results we get. So this is what one layer of it looks like all over my skin, and it gives me a really nice and natural glow. So I'm going in with my foundation. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Teint Doll, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to place it all over my face using that same foundation powder brush by e.l.f. These are like $3 from Target, y'all, but they really do buff the foundation into the skin. And I'm only going to do one light layer of this foundation. So now I'm just going in with some LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm just going to do my normal concealer routine. And a lot of times you'll see me, I'll mix like two different concealers together because one concealer I basically use it to cancel out color, and the other one I do just a tad bit of brightening. But I accidentally picked up the wrong color, so this is a lot brighter than I normally go, but we're going to make it work. So in order to really make this balance out, I'm just going back in with my foundation brush. I'm not adding any more product to the brush. I'm just using what's already on the brush to blend it out. Now I'm just grabbing my Self Love Cosmetics foundation. This is their foundation stick in this shade Chestnut. And I'm just going to go in and lightly contour in over my cheekbones and across my forehead. And later you'll see me contour my nose just a bit. Don't y'all judge me on this face I'm making to contour this nose. You gotta kind of hold your mouth right to get it just right. So now I'm just going in with some setting powder. I actually put too much setting powder. You do not need this much, but I'm not accustomed to working with this Real Technique sponge, so it picked up a little bit more than what I expected. So now you see me kind of blend it out and try to get some of that powder off, but typically you just need a very thin layer of powder, and I don't even bake very long. I just let it sit long enough so that my concealer does not crease. So I went on and did my brows off camera, and I used my Self Love Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade Deep Brunette. And I just really like the way this color looks on my brows. I like the pencil. Y'all know I like this pencil. I've always been bragging about it. So now I'm just taking that same brush and I'm going in with my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC in the shade Dark Tan. And basically I'm just getting rid of all of that powder and I'm blending everything together. So here I'm just taking a little bit of concealer just to conceal and to counteract some of the color on my lid. And you can see what an amazing job that a little bit of concealer does. You can pretty much bet that this highlighter is going to be on one of my favorites list. This is by Stardust and it's in the shade Cronus, and this is an illuminating powder. Every time I wear this highlighter, I do not have to wear blush. So I've been really reaching for this one because it has such a beautiful pink undertone. So now just picking up my Juvia's Place Magic Palette, I'm going in with the shade Nana. This shade I know I'm going to hit pan on like really super soon because I use it as a transition color for just about every single look. Now this eye look is going to be super simple because again I really just wanted to see what the foundation and the skin was going to do. So now I'm going in with the color Boronu. It's B-O-R-O-N-U. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is also from the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. Lately, I've been seriously hooked on eyeliner. I don't know why, but I used to never use eyeliner, but now I'm just so hooked on it because it really defines the look. And this is my liquid liner by Self Love Cosmetics. All of these products, I will have links to them listed down below. If you have a hard time with a wing liner like I do, you really want to get this liner pencil. It is amazing. So this is something else. I don't know why I've been doing lately, but just adding like a fake mole under my eye or somewhere on my face. And that liquid pencil, that liquid pen, I keep calling it a pencil. That liquid pen is amazing for that. But anyway, here's the finished look. What do you guys think? I do like the glow that it gives, like around my nose and my forehead area. And I can tell you, as I wore it throughout the day, I did get pretty dewy. So it does really work, guys. I really did enjoy it, and I still actually use it. So thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe.